The Paper Plus Coiler 2 system has been designed to provide optimum protection in applications that involve the shipment of large, heavy, and fragile products. The machine turns preformed paper strands into robust and versatile coils of paper that can be used for padding, filling, blocking, and bracing. The coils of paper cushion can be precisely tailored to the goods concerned using a touchscreen display. The coil diameter, for instance, can be individually configured. Users can also choose from various degrees of firmness and select whether they wish to have looser coils or compact coils, thus achieving even more efficient, cost-optimized use of material. Depending on need, the coils of paper are produced at the push of a button. It is also possible to pre-produce coils with the aid of a collecting container. Thereby, the automatically attached adhesive dots provide for a secure hold and enable the easy handling of the finished coil. Paper Plus Coiler 2 processes the strands of paper at high speed. What's more, the machine works in sync with the upstream paper cushion systems Paper Plus Track, Paper Plus Crossover, and Paper Plus Classic. Fast, flexible, and efficient packaging with Storopack's intelligent Paper Plus